Guys, how are you? My name is Vanessa Figueiredo. Welcome to the Brazilian and Filipino couple. This is our channel. Those who don't watch us, my husband is a Filipino and of course I'm already insert in your culture. Those Filipinos who is watching me, of course we have followers from the entire world, but today I came for to bring one recipe from the Philippines, okay? So today is the day of Talong. This is my favorite after adobo, my favorite dish. And since in the previous video of adobo, I was cooking adobo, many people comment for me to cook again another Filipino dish. Today I will cook tortang. Okay, so come with me. Today's gonna be my dinner. I will just change something in the recipe of frying with too much oil. Probably I would just not fry that much with a lot of oil, and I'll try to make it more dry. Okay, so come for to watch how Brazilian cook tortang. Ciao. I'm already here with the tortang with the how you call this one is anyway I will put down there, and eggplant. So I already make the skin burn as you saw, and now I will try to remove everything. This eggplant is a bit big, is the last one I have, is only for me. I will try to make it like, I hope it's already well cooked. I think need a little bit more here in this side. And then I come here for to peel the eggplant. Guys, I think I got to do it. Now is I think is the final decision if this eggplant will be really flat to make the tortang. So look, I will try to wait. I will try to make like this. I think it's like only to mash to make it more flat. I think this part I need to peel. I need to remove because it's still with some burn. Can you see? Oh, yeah. My husband always put onion, so I put onion as well. And I'll take 2 eggs. I think only one is gonna be not gonna be enough for this because it's big eggplant. So I'm gonna use these 2, and I will show you. As I told you, I don't want to put a lot of oil to cook because I'm trying to, you know, reduce. Guys, I had to put my third egg. Look, it's not getting the form. I don't know why. I don't know if it's supposed to be. I do like this first in the egg, and after this I put in the... I make a mistake, but it's okay. It's like the eggplant. It's wrapped by the egg at least. I just don't like to really put too much oil. If it's Romarico, he'll fry like almost like a deep fry, and he knows I don't like oil too much. Some Filipino food, oh my god, now it's a disaster. Some Filipino food, unfortunately, it's a lot of oil, and I think this eggplant, it's like too much big. That's why I cannot also, you know, it's the only eggplant I have home. So anyway, important it's that it's good and not too much oil. Guys, the things that I learned with this recipe: the eggplant should not be that much big like I did. It need to be a bit more thinner. And I think I need to pass in the egg first and then throw there. It's not throwing there and then throw the egg. That's the omelette. But I will show you the result. I try. Look, my tortang talong. Oh no. Oh my god, look. You can see all the eggplant outside of the egg. But it's okay. It's toasted. Of course, this one is a bit still like too much wet. Supposed to be a bit more dry, but I don't want oil, so this is my priority. Anyway, I try. And now let's eat with me. It's my tortang talong. Let's try. It's too much wet. Not so good because I can feel the eggplant because it's a lot. Supposed to be maybe here I put more than 3 eggs. But the eggs tasty together with the tortang talong without salt. It's okay. It's not bad. It's okay, but I'm not eating with rice today. I'm cooking rice for the dogs. Maybe I take only 1 spoon. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video for us to, you know, grow this channel. We are waiting for it. We are already with 8,100 plus subscribers. The other videos, if you didn't watch, I put here. I was cooking the adobo, so just thumbs up here for us and help us to... Wait, my dog, it's no. And thumbs up for us to grow this channel if you enjoy this kind of video, okay? Don't forget to comment also what's your favorite food there in the Philippines that I will try to make here without my husband, because my husband's in the ship. I cannot, I cannot ask him how to make because he's there. Okay? Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next video.